In this video, I'll show you how to find your very first iMessage on an iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. If you want to quickly view your first iMessage without scrolling through all your conversations, there are a couple of methods to do this. Let's walk through both options. The first method involves tapping the top of your screen where the time is displayed. This will bring you to the top of your message list. If you have a lot of messages, it may take a few tries. You may need to tap it again to load the next section of messages until you reach the top. It takes a little patience since not all your messages load at once, but keep clicking and you'll get there. The second method is to exit the conversation and go back to the main messages screen. From there, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. You can type in a word or a phrase from one of the earliest messages in the conversation, like "Hi." Once you type it in, it will show you all the conversations that included that word. Select the conversation that you think is your first message, and you'll be able to see the oldest message in that thread. And that's it. Now you know 2 ways to find your first iMessage on an iPhone. Thanks for watching.